Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the Gigabyte motherboard driver. So this is website, so you have to come on this first www.gigabyte.com. After that click on the search, then enter the model number of motherboard Z590M and then hit enter. Wait few seconds for complete. Then click on the product. Just click on it. Then click on support. Select your operating system, which is Windows 10 11. So both operating system installations process same. So audio driver, a Realtek audio driver. Just click to download. Okay, and then chipset. So guys, first download one by one. After that, install. So this is chipset driver. This is two driver need require for us. Just click to download. So most important in the chipset is both. Then LAN driver, Realtek LAN driver for the internet, Ethernet. You just click on download. After that, you can see this is VGA graphic driver, display driver. You can say, and this is download icon to click to download. After that, click on this icon. You can see here it is downloading. It will complete, then show you how to install. And you just click on this icon to open this folder where it is downloading. So this is your driver. Okay, so one by one, just extract first. So right click and show more, extract all. Okay, and same locations. If you have two other locations, so you can browse and change it. Otherwise you just click to extract. It is completed. So after complete it will open, so just close it. Then LAN driver, so right click, show more, and click on extract all. Then same location, same close. Then chipset driver, extract all, same location. So one by one extract all. Then last Realtek audio. Okay, this is extracted. So this five data is extracted. So first open one, just select the right click, run as administrator. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting to your system. So you can see this is Intel SD graphic driver. So might be it will take some time to install, okay, because this is heavy file, heavy driver. So wait few seconds and will automatically close it. So means this is installed, and then close it. Again go to this folder. So this one completed, then this LAN driver, then LAN driver, open one by one, download, and just open and double click and then click on yes. Now you can see this is first extract. Real Ethernet control device. Then next. Now this is installing driver. And then OK, and then finish it. Then back. Then serial means chipset driver. So find out setup, just right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. Then finish, next to install. Okay, this is INF update. So this is also for same for chipset. So just this is setup chipset, just right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. Then next, accept, installed, and then OK. Then last one, and this is pending, graphic card pending. So graphic card, just select right click and run as administrator. Now you can see this is installing. And it is closed, then done. So you can guys one by one install, find out setup. So this is setup exe, right click, then run as administrator, and then yes. Now you can see this is installing. Then next, and no, and finish. After you install the all driver, after that restart your system.